I have a unique problem. The door lock on my 2008 Chevy Silverado is locked with the door closed. You can't pull the handle, the lever up. Looked all over YouTube. Nobody has a fix for it. That doesn't include ripping the door panel apart all the way down to one guy. He actually wound up breaking this off, cutting this all up. This damage is done by my dog. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this door handle, well, the door lock up, and then the door should open. It's always worked in the past. The power unlock hasn't worked for about 3 years, so we'll see what happens. Here are the tools I'm going to start with. Knife, small screwdriver set, and yes, a pair of needle nose pliers. There's a little cover right here. Hopefully I can pop that off. Got the top of it wedged open. That part came off nicely, hopefully. Oh, I broke a tab. Yep. That was a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. All I did was reach down in with the needle nose pliers, pulled up on that, and the door is open. Guess the problem was with this thing. Well, I fooled around with it a little bit, and somehow it started working, so I've reinstalled this clip down in there. Even though it has a broken clip on it, it still appears to work. Let's give it a shot and see if I can just... Door's locked. Now it's unlocked. Huh. I'm gonna call it good. That was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be.